So we best to make the best of it. Trying to make this country what it says it is. I still dream in the vividest living color. No matter how many times my love been smothered. Who's ever above us won't just let us suffer. All of this struggling gotta amount to something. This is a letter to my countrymen, especially those my age and younger than. We're up against an ugly trend. Everybody hustling, don't nobody touch their friends. No group singing and dancing, no anthems, nobody holds hands. And instead they give you a handheld and make you shoulder life's burden by your damn self. The one thing that can't be debated, power never changed on its own, you got to make it. That's why community is so sacred. That's the symbol that we make when we raise fists. We don't really like to talk about the race thing. Our old grandparents used to own slaves thing. We pat ourselves in the back through February, looking at pictures of Abe Lincoln and the Great King. But the real picture's much more embarrassing. Still not even close to really sharing things. And the situation of oppressed people shows what we feel it means to be a human being. This is a letter to my countrymen, not from a Democrat or a Republican, but one among you. That's why you call me brother. Ain't scared to tell you we're in trouble, because I love you. They tell me I'm a dreamer. They tell me I'm a dreamer, they ridicule, they feel defeated, oh bitter and cynical. Excuse me, but I see it from a different view. Still believe in what a driven few could really do. I know that the masses want to sleep, and they would just rather hear us rapping to the beat. But I'm trying to pass this planet to my seed a little better than it was when they handed it to me. So I wrote a letter to my countrymen. I'd be happy if it only reaches one of them. Reporting live, ALI, your brother, Morning in America.
Dreaming in color.
Yeah!